Hey Glow Gang, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to flat twist so that you can achieve the perfect twist out every time.
I'm a nice dude.
Starting off on clean hair, my hair is 100% dry, high porous, and if 4B and 4C had a baby, it would be my hair texture.
What's spilling down your...
The smaller the twist, the more definition. The bigger the twist, the more volume. So I'm doing medium-sized flat twists because I want both. I'm using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Extra Butter. Products are now sold at Rite Aid. This deeply moisturizes my hair without leaving it greasy, sticky, or with any residue. The next most important step is to detangle. If you don't smooth out your hair, you're gonna have a bunch of knots and frizz. Now for the flat twist. Grab a small section at the top like so, divide it into two, then cross them one time.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Then I take my index finger to make a clean part, adding more hair. Then I take the hair that I just added with my index finger and cross it over. Okay, one more time. I take my index finger to make a clean part, adding more hair. Then I cross the hair I added over the hair that was on the other side. I do this until I can't do it anymore and it turns into a regular 2-strand twist.
Left side, yeah, that's the crib side. Ain't no other way to play the game the way I play. I cut so much you thought I was a DJ. 2, if it, 1, yep, 3. SC and double O, P, D, O, double G. I can't fake it, just break it. And when I take it, see, I specialize in making all the girls get it. So bring your friends, all of y'all come inside. We got a world premiere right here, now get lots. So don't change the diesel, turn it up a little. I got a living room full of fine dime bristles.
For my ladies that can't sleep in perm rods, the next best thing is to bantu knot the ends.
Crib, mom. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. And if a get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm going Sean down and I'm...
Don't forget to moisturize those ends. It's very important to make clean, even parts with your index finger. If your parts aren't clean, your takedown will cause tons of frizz because you have strands going in every direction, which is why so many of our twist outs fail. And when you flat twist the right way, they look so cute. Now the back of the head took me forever to learn. It's the same technique, just different finger placement. As you can see, I'm using my middle finger this time instead of my index finger to part, and I'm using my whole hand to hold the other side out of my way. I don't use any mirrors, so it's more of a touch feel technique.
To cry for me. I need someday I'll be a rich man. The future I don't have stories. It's high enough for me to bungee. Never really wanted to roll it, unless it came with a receipt.
It's the next day.
I just think it's time I lived easy.
My hair is still nice and moisturized with using only one product.
No need to fly in my own jet. Out on the whole land. This ain't a song about balling. It's just a promise to the family. So bonjour to the gourmet. And sayonara to the meal deal. Yeah. Gonna put my money in a mansion when I get mine. When I get my money. When I get my darling Benson. When I get mine. When I get my dough. When my boss. When I get mine. When I get my money.
My curls are popping, it's bouncy. The takedown was a super clean, quick, and easy process.
Tell them don't watch that.
I pick out my roots only for more volume and shape. It's easy for my hair to stand up in the middle because I have a long taper cut.
Tell them don't watch that. Got your own life at home to keep on track, so go watch that.
After styling, my hair is just the way I want it with shine, definition, and bounce.
I just want you here, I miss a smile. But we both be up in the city working out. We stress and fight one another. Say things we would to a stranger. Girl, we've built up a strong foundation. So it feels so good every time we make up. And we do it all.
If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!
Let me loose. When you pick up the phone and call me, you make it seem like it's hard to do.